Like this product. Easy to install, easy to remove to clean around, allows Roomba to move around easily. Will purchase again. I just installed them and they worked great. Product is suitable. Oh sorry, I have to pay delivery fee. Good replacement front wheel for my iRobot Roomba. My old wheel fell off, was able to pop the housing out and put the new one in with ease. Working like new again. Exact fit for my Roomba 620. Our hardwood floors beat up our Roomba after 2 years, and the assembly holding the wheel finally cracked under the pressure. Very glad to find these replacements. Now we're set for another 4 years. Got rid of the squeak, love my Roomba again. Excellent value and works on Hazel, my Roomba. Easy to install. Use on my Roomba. It's generic and costs less than the Roomba replacement parts. If you use your Roomba as much as I do, you will need these replacement parts. Seem to work and look the same as the original parts that came with it. Click link in description for more reviews.